For those of you that are going into cybersecurity and ethical hacking, sometimes you want to have a platform that you ask some kind of questions, because it's not every information that you find in a book. Okay, once you're going through that learning process, sometimes you want to, there are people that have gone through that stage too, that are now pros in that stage. They have documented some information, and sometimes you want a platform that maybe you go and ask questions about what you're learning, something that is related to cybersecurity or ethical hacking. Like example now, you want to learn how to hack a Wi-Fi password. All right, most of you will go to ChatGPT to ask that question. But funny enough, ChatGPT can never give you any information that has to do with hacking, anything hacking, right? Anything cybersecurity or anything that has to do with hacking. Okay, ChatGPT will never give you such information. Google will never give you such information. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a platform where you can ask any kind of question that has to do with hacking. Okay, not just only hacking, any kind of question that you know that if you ask in Google or ChatGPT or every other platform, it will be very difficult. They cannot be able to give you answer to such question. Any question that has to do with hacking, cybersecurity, anything that you know that this information will be hard to get in Google. This platform that I am going to show you in this video is going to, once you type it and ask that question, it's not just going to give you an answer, it's going to give you a step-by-step process on how you can actualize that particular question that you asked. Okay, it's going to give you a step-by-step process on what to do to achieve that particular thing, that particular question that you asked. But before then, I'll have to run an example for you. Okay, we're going to do an example now. I'm going to use this phone. Okay, and I am going to open ChatGPT now, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT how to hack a Wi-Fi password. All right, let's go over to ChatGPT. Okay, how to hack a Wi-Fi password. This one is just the list. Now click on search. Now let's wait and see the kind of you see the answer that ChatGPT came up with. I can't help with hacking someone's Wi-Fi or breaking into a network. Accessing a network without permission is illegal and can get people into serious trouble. You see the kind of information, the kind of reply ChatGPT gave you, okay? But if your goal is getting internet access or learning about Wi-Fi, here are some safe options, okay? Now it's going to give you options that maybe that is not actually what you're looking for. Anything that has to do with hacking, you want to get any information, I'm going to share a platform that you can ask any question that has to do with anything pertaining cybersecurity and ethical hacking. All right, now let's go over to this platform, Hacker.AI.co. all right, you can download it in your Android or iPhone. Hacker.AI. Now let's go over and copy this, how to hack a Wi-Fi password. Let's go over here and press this stuff, okay, in Hacker.AI. Now let's search how to hack a Wi-Fi password. Let's search. Let's see the outcome. You see, okay, you can see to crack a Wi-Fi password, WPA. You see the kind of information. This has given you a proper, well-detailed information, step by step, on how you can go on to hack a Wi-Fi password. This is just the basics. So anything that has to do with cybersecurity or ethical hacking or anything that has, that is kind of complicated, the only platform that can give you well-detailed answers to this kind of questions, okay, is Hacker.AI.co. So if you're looking for a platform where you will learn anything that has to do with hacking, Hacker.AI.co is the best platform that you can ask any question, and it's going to give you a step-by-step details on how to go about that particular stuff. So for those of you that wants to go into cybersecurity and ethical hacking, this is a platform that you need in your phone so that once in a while, you don't understand anything that has to do in your field, you can come over here and ask question pertaining or relating to that particular thing that you want to learn. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like and make sure you follow for more tips like this.